At this time of year, the days are starting to lengthen, and in some parts of the country, it feels as though spring is just around the corner. And yet other parts are still deep in the throes of winter. For the eager gardener, it can be tempting to get a head start on the season. But wherever you live, there's one task that's essential for ensuring you get the best out of the growing season. Soil is the beating heart of your garden, and making sure that it's in top condition is essential for maintaining healthy, happy plants. Winter is a great time of year for revitalising your soil, ready for the coming growing season. In this video, we'll reveal our top tips for managing your soil this winter. Towards the end of the season, soil takes on a lovely friable structure, and this is partly down to the fungal hyphae and mycelium that have established during the summer months. By not turning the bed over in winter, you can ensure that all of the microscopic fungal threads and other soil organisms stay in one piece. Any bare earth in your garden ideally needs to be covered with a thick layer of mulch. The type of mulch doesn't really matter as long as it's about 4 inches thick. This is in order to protect the structure, moisture and any microorganisms present within the soil. Common winter weeds like chickweed often form great green mats of foliage that protect the soil from erosion, and the long slender taproots of dandelions and bittercress can help to improve soil drainage. To manage your winter weeds and keep them from reseeding, simply take them out in early spring when you want to plant, rake up the greens and compost them. Quick-growing cover crops and green manures also protect soil from erosion through winter. Plants like hairy vetch add nitrogen to the soil, suppress weeds, increase its organic matter content, and attract wildlife. Remember to keep off wet soils. Avoid walking over your bed unnecessarily, as this will cause compaction. But if you absolutely need to, then use long boards as walkways to help spread your weight.